Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall instabridge app on Android. So if you install this app, you want to uninstall because app is useless for you, because this app keep asking you to set as a default launcher. You can uninstall easily by tap on a this icon app. As you can see, this app keep asking, so just hold this icon and tap uninstall, or you can go to the Play Store. You can uninstall this app from the Play Store, and you can tap this uninstall button. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.